Hi, my name's Kelly and we're here today with FacePaintcom and this is my model Leslie. Today we are demoing 4 different roses. So, 4 different roses. Right now I'm going to do one of the more common roses I end up doing, which is one stroke. And I usually just go around and build some petals with my angled brush and my Paris by Global one stroke, which I like. It has a nice purple, pink, and a white. And I just build the petals around like that to start. I usually do like a half little circle there on top, and I do another one on the bottom to make the center of the rose. After that, I start from that little centerpiece and I just flick out to build more like 3-dimensional kind of petals. And you can keep doing that and pull it into each other so that it looks like it's going under one another or over one another. And yeah, that's one quick one-stroke rose. Another kind of rose you can do, you can choose like a red. From here I would just come to the center and do like a C and then another C facing in. Then I try and remember, like, wherever it's open, just like drag lightly and then press a little bit more. And then just overlap it. And this has more of like a, like you're looking right down on it kind of feel. You can also fill in with like some black or anything like that you like also. Then you can take your red and just fill in a whole area like this. And you can take a nice round, load up some black. You know what, I'm gonna use a smaller round. So this is a number 3. You can make the center of the rose and start and come down here. So it's like one petal. And just go around and create more petals, overlapping each other. If you have time, you can do some nice shading. And lastly, another kind of rose actually that we can do with a one stroke is just a little bud. Do that little half center like you do here. So you're gonna do a little half moon type thing. You want to make sure it's dry, and then you want to like close it up on the bottom. It's not dry, it blends all together and gets muddy. And then here you go here and just go flick, flick. Now it's a cute little tiny rosebud. And there you are, 4 different roses. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the FacePaintcom channel. All of the products we use today are listed below. Thanks for coming.